Now, for the better understanding and also your possibility to appear in the for the JET, we have grouped the courses in A, B, and C. So there is Group A, Group B, and Group C, and you have an option to apply for one group, one course in each group. So any of you, if you wish to apply 1, 2, or maximum 3 courses, then you may apply after paying the appropriate fees for the same. And this exam is going to be in the offline mode. I'll again say the same thing. You may apply for Group A 1 course, Group B 1 course, Group C 1 course. If you wish to apply 2 courses in Group A, that won't be possible because Group A examination, the JET is going to be at the same time. You will be given a specified time. I'm coming to that now. If you could see the Group A courses that we are offering: producing for film and television, animation, cinema, art direction, production design, screenwriting, film, TV, web series, screen acting, and electronic and digital media management. In front of each course, we have written the place where this course is conducted, either FTII or SRFTI. And the date for the Group A examination is 18th December 2021 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So if you wish to apply for any of these courses, then that exam will be on 18th December. Okay. Then we have Group B. Now you may notice that all the 4 courses mentioned here are at both the places, FTII as well as SRFTI. So when you apply for any of the course, you are eligible to get selected or rejected at both the places, or you may get selected at one place or the other. So that applying for Group B allows you for appearing JET for both the institutes, FTI as well as SRFTI. This exam is going to be on 19th December from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Then we have Group C. Again, you see we have courses here which are both at SRFTI and FTI, which is a direction and producing, cinematography and electronic cinematography, editing, video editing, sound recording and television engineering, and writing for electronic and digital media, which is a standalone course in SRFTI. So this goes in Group C, and this exam is going to be on 19th of December from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now I have shown you Group A, Group B, and Group C.